How I make this text portrait effect in Photoshop? Let's begin to the video. Get a solid color adjustment layer. Choose the black color. Go to first layer and create clipping mask option. Now you can see text effect is applied to the image. Press the keys Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer. Go to the view section and choose the new guide layout. You can follow my screen. And wait is over, press OK button. Go to the rectangular mark tool and draw the rectangle. Add a layer mask. Okay, this is the tutorial. If you like this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to more tutorials like this. Until then, the next video will come in soon. Till then, goodbye.